Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
And no mai hoki mai whānau ki o tautahi mo te Footlaka Under-18 National Championships here in Kiao Stadium. They're staying out of foul trouble, obviously, and this is how they match up. As we see the tip, won by Tauranga. Shamar Broughton, straight to work. Oh, a lot of firepower.
Not afraid to mix it up there.
Nice step through.
Nice, that offensive rebound there.
Broughton to Broughton, seeing that a lot. Nice bounce pass to Tiki in the break, finishing for two. As we see McGregor Proctor with the handoff to get Ava Jones free, but they're not going to leave her open too much.
Nice little floater there from Sarah Buckley.
I think we thought the same thing, travel.
Yeah. Potentially looked like she dragged her feet a little bit.
And
Canterbury,
yeah, I think Riley does a great job of getting downhill there.
Yeah. I mean, they're a tough bunch to manage, right? Everyone's got some nice footwork there from Kirsty McGaskill. They
had good games last night. I thought Rosie Gaffney was a big part of what they did and did well. As we see Karis Broughton again. And Rosie Gaffney at the top. Shot clock takes it.
Excellent, great finish at speed. I mean, right idea there, right? Attacking, I like her release pass there.
Just look
Kick out, here we go.
Look how quick it is. Just their composure on the break. They have done a decent job with them in the half court. With good defense, as you see, such a tough finish over the as we see the 1-3-1 from Canterbury.
Yeah, it's caused some problems for Tauranga here. Oh, nice.
As you say that, Gillard. Ruby. It's got to be a little bit stronger there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Gaffney, spin.
Great move.
With her left.
Really nice move.
In transition.
We might want to stop the ball here. Ava will have that. Absolutely.
As we see Broughton, Shamar, great rebound there from Murray. Finds Gillard. Gillard off the backboard.
For Tauranga, forcing the left, not fouling.
Yeah, nice.
And right place, right time for two. Great find there from Ava Jones.
Cutbush.
Great decision.
Nice wee English with the left. A little bit of a backspin there and get it off. As we see Karis with her patent pump fake step through. As we see
Do we see a dig here?
Oh, we did see a double team coming from Teke.
Nice find there by Ava.
They're doing a great job at taking away their action.
Yeah, blowing up these handoffs.
And Sarah Buckley.
Great footwork there, back to the basket, old school post up.
Yeah. It's those little ones that Canterbury just aren't finishing right now.
Yeah.
You know, struggling to find a rhythm. As we see Shamar with the left.
Way to crash the boards.
Nice jump stop.
Little hop.
See
the Broughton twins with international experience. Definitely great shovel pass there from Ava. Three has not been their friend so far, but the O-board situation is making up for it.
And
no success that time, but I love the confidence.
There is right place, right time. And one.
It's really difficult, I think, when you're used to playing teams that maybe don't crash, aren't as mobile. Corner three, nails it.
Second quarter, as we see Shamar Broughton for the Kuriwhiwhi Toru.
Oh, nice O-board.
Tiki with the offensive rebound.
At the hoop.
Yeah, as we see now, Ava Jones finds Adams in the post. Gillard.
Nice little hook.
Adams.
I rate it.
Yep. You see her stretching there as Broughton for the Kuriwhiwhi Toru. Blocked this time by Gillard.
Great find.
Third. Fourth time. Broughton finds Tiki in. She looked for the short corner.
I like how she found space there. Oh,
bang. Is Shamar. Got to guard the inbounds. Bang. That's her second in a row. Just probing a little bit. Finds
nice kick out.
Riley in the corner.
Oh dear.
Kuriwhiwhi Toru. Cut push out to Buckley. Back to
McGregor. Looks good. So Tauranga not able to pull away They've created a slight buffer, but not able to pull away until I just, again, shut my mouth, potentially.
Yeah, Ruby Cutbush is calling it for there. Just give it to me straight away. Gaffney with
great job on the O board.
Maybe looking for that, but I don't mind the hill little push as Ruby gets downhill. Ava Jones really wanted to shoot that. Ruby.
Attacking space.
Getting back to her right hand and finishing the and one. Ruby.
Nice.
As Tiki sets up. Bang. As we see Gillard, Tiki in the corner. Takes the contact. Radford just kind of being
if that
aggressive.
Difference at the moment, right? It would be the 3-point shooting.
Yeah, for sure. And there goes
tough finish.
I like to see that
nice
from
split.
Pioneer.
Great pass.
Great find.
Right place, right time. Come on. There we go.
Finds.
Didn't quite see Riley there on the. Great.
Nice. That's Ava's just 5th shot of the game, Laurie.
5th.
Yeah, as Karis Kuruwhiwhitoru needs that one to go, but Tiki, and this is where Tauranga just wear you out. And she did get the rebound, but we're not the people in grey.
Yeah. Also, again, that's my goodness.
Now on the right wing, just kind of dictating, seeing what's probing, getting in the paint. 1 foot step back. Kind of like a better movement flow in their offense, but like
great Hezzy. Yeah, there Ava again looking for the ball. Feels like being face guarded. Nice finish.
Yeah, those two have just been relentless. Great
slip. Nice find.
Yeah, Shamar. That is Canterbury's 24th turnover of this Kemu. So just a high turnover rate, great.
That's the first pick and roll action I've seen.
One of the Canterbury strengths. I'm not saying it's all their strengths, but one of theirs is Tiki.
Nice find.
Great find. Karis. Bang. Footlocker under 18 Nationals champions. Kind of rewrote the wrong from last year when they lost. Shamar brought in this time.
Tauranga for their 89-57 victory over Canterbury in this Footlocker under 18 women's national final.
Everybody that I know, they down with this. Cause they down with this.